TikTok has released the Effect House app, which is a platform that allows users to create custom augmented reality effects. Arkansas filters and trends frequently pop up on TikTok, often catching on with thousands of users and creators. Now that TikTok's Effect House app is publicly available, it is easier to become a developer and create the next viral Arkansas TikTok trend. Effect House offers a series of tutorials with asset kits to help users get started with creating each of the types of Arkansas effects the app supports. From there, users can swap out original 2D and 3D assets, and various interactions can be programmed with visual scripting, no coding required. The effects available include hand tracking, body tracking, head tracking, face masking and morphing, action-driven character animation, facial animations inset within a virtual scene, and randomizer 2D selection effects. The hand tracking functionality allows users to map objects onto each finger and add interactions such as animations and toggling visibility based on gestures. Body tracking supports things like virtual clothing mapped onto the user's body. Similarly, head tracking allows items such as animated virtual hats to appear on the user's head with occlusion. The face mask effect is tracked onto the user's facial features, while the face morphing effect can distort each facial feature. These head and face tracking effects also support gesture control, such as open and closed mouth as an interaction trigger. The remaining Arkansas effects for TikTok are somewhat different, including the character driver, which allows the user to control an animated virtual character based on their movements. The facial inset effect composites the user's face into an entirely virtual animated scene. Finally, the 2D randomizer quickly rotates through a selection of 2D images so that the user can select one at random. The Effect House website offers detailed tutorials on creating and customizing all of these effects. New effects can then be submitted for review, and once approved, users can share their custom Arkansas effects by demonstrating how it works with a video on TikTok and prompting others to try them out. TikTok users can browse and discover new effects by launching the app, tapping the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and selecting effects to search the available filters. Create Arkansas effects for TikTok with Effect House. Although visual scripting makes it easier for developers to create Arkansas experiences without writing code, there is still a bit of a learning curve for those new to such interfaces. Each component is represented by a node, which may be interconnected with various assets and interactions. The series of nodes can expand to create increasingly complex interactions when creators become more familiar. While the 2D and 3D assets needed to create new Arkansas experiences for TikTok cannot be generated directly in Effect House, importing such assets along with their respective materials, textures and animations is easy. TikTok's Effect House presents an opportunity for creators to get directly involved with developing Arkansas filters and effects. It is now easier than ever for creators to contribute to the selection of Arkansas effects available on TikTok. With the availability of these tools, it will be exciting to see what new Arkansas trends go viral next. Source: Effect House.